Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop, issue number 35, from the wonderful folks down at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, folks, click this link, all the way along there. Head over to the Fanhome website and take out a subscription for your very own 1/3 scale RoboCop, folks. Right, let's have a quick flick through the magazine and see what we got this week. The Evil Heir to RoboCop, a new cyborg to keep Detroit under control. Everything in technology has an expiry date, and quite often it is not the actual lifetime of a machine that decides it. Even RoboCop, who turned out to be too human for his creator's tastes, the OCP declares the cyborg cop obsolete and sets about manufacturing a replacement that will eventually become one of the most spectacular elements of the second film in the saga. Yes, quite an intimidating looking character, wasn't it? It was Kane, wasn't it? The criminal leader of the underworld, should we say, that was transformed into this machine. With a downside, yes. It says Kirshner reveals RoboCop's successor gradually. Yeah, you got to see bits of it and then shadows, and then suddenly the big reveal was, yeah, it was really cleverly done, I must admit. But yeah, whoever watched the original films, I must admit. Next up, we've got what parts you're getting in your episode this week. You've got the right calf plate and the right inner knee plate. So you're going to need the lower leg that we started assembling in the last issues, which is just there, folks. Okay? Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? So you're going to need that. I'm going to be adding some of the finishing panels around the lower calf area on the RoboCop, and there on your model is where we're going to be working, folks. Okay, nice simple issue this one. A few press fit bits just to dress up the lower part of the leg, ready for when we start building up the top part over the next few issues, folks. Okay, and there it is there, the right calf plate, and it's looking rather splendid. So it's not far off that we're going to have both legs on this fully assembled, folks. Robo Coaster, amusement parks go robotic. Yeah, there's a robot arm now that has got some roller coaster seats bolted to it, and it does all of the proper movements and that. And there it is there in situ. And yeah, I've seen a prototype of this. It was on the channels on the satellite networks, and yeah, it does look interesting, I must admit. So yeah, go and have a look. Edge computing, data processing at the edge of the network. It says we live in a digital world where devices generate data that must be stored and processed quickly and efficiently. At the same time, current infrastructures and networks are beginning to show signs of saturation. In this scenario, edge computing offers a suitable model to integrate with the Internet of Things and 5G and provide faster and more secure services. Yeah, data centres now, they're massive complexes, and is there too much data and information now on people? I'm beginning to think there is, but it's one of them debates I won't get into, but I don't know, it feels a little bit like snooping to me. Agriculture is one of the sectors where edge computing has the most intermediate impact, as it allows farmers to collect massive amounts of granular data on their farm. But no problem with the GPS side for farmers and other things like that, helping them with their crops and that. I get that. But personal data, I don't know. There's some impact on various sectors there. Give these a read, folks. You'll find out a lot of interesting information in these magazines. They really are worth a read. So let's give this a little flickykins so that we can see what we're working on today, folks. Okay. Right, so this is what we've got. Got a couple of closing panels to go on. And this is what we assembled the last time, folks. This is the right leg, okay? So we'll just orientate these in the correct way, and then we'll get them put in place for you. Okay. So your first piece there, just will press fit into place, which is going to go somewhat like so, okay? And then you've got the lugs that'll go on the back there like so, okay? Simple press fit in situ, and then use both of your thumbs to work your way around the edges just to make sure you've got a smooth transition over the panels, okay? And already you can see that's just got rid of that nasty little screw hole there. And then you've got one for the back section there. It's got a little semicircular cut out down the bottom. I'll just go around with my fingers to make sure there's no visible nubs, which there isn't. And then this is going to go over this section here, folks, okay? Like so. Gently rest it into place. Pop that into situ just like that. It's that easy. And that will then give you a nice closed off rear calf section like that. And just them two parts there really does make a difference to this lower leg now, as you can see. Really is a beautiful, beautiful piece of craft. Look at that. Absolutely stunning, folks. So, if you would like to grab this for yourselves, folks, head over to this link all the way along there. That'll take you to the Fanhome website where you can take out a subscription for your very own RoboCop Partwork, folks. Until the next issue, if you'd like to help me out, click that little festa just there. Helps me grow my channel, keeps the content coming, and to be notified of future comment, give the little bell a ring as well. Just click the bell, select all, and that will give you notifications of all these issues that are coming up, folks. So until then, stay safe and well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye for now. Good tits. Robo